Meaning of evangelical.
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 Evangelical. Evangelical refers to a particular type of Protestant Christianity that emphasizes the importance of personal faith in Jesus Christ and spreading the gospel, good news, to others. Evangelicals often prioritize a literal interpretation of the Bible and believe in the imminent return of Jesus Christ. The term evangelical can also be used more broadly to describe people or organizations that are committed to promoting a particular ideology or cause. Overall, the concept of evangelicalism is closely tied to ideas of evangelism, proselytism, and passionate religious fervor.